Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today we are having number 8 of the Advent Calendar series. Oh, it's hard to believe we're already up to number 8. This came in the mail, or this might have came by UPS. I got it this week and we're gonna find out all about it. I will tell you it came in this box. It's fragile and it is a very interesting box and maybe something new that you've never seen. If you don't know much about my Advent Calendar series and you're new here, this is number 8. I'm doing a special Advent Calendar series and I started off with Pretty Little Things Fragrance and Home Advent Calendar, and you can go back. I'll have a link to the playlist in the description if you want to go back and see them all, because guess what? There's a giveaway with each and every one, and there is a grand prize giveaway of a curated Advent calendar that I'm putting together that one lucky person will win. I'm going to open this box up and I want to show you this Advent calendar. This is an Advent calendar. It's a 12-day. Let me get it out of the box here. I'm so excited. We're going to pop in here and see what we have. Looks like I got a free gift. It says an Earl Grey Bitters, and this is a hand sanitizing gel. So I got this free from the Apotheke. Yep, Apotheke is the company that this 12-day calendar is from. I got a shipping label. I got some paper. I got some more freebies. I got Apotheke. I have some matches. So what do you think it is? What is Apotheke? Without any further ado, we're going to find out. This is Apotheke. It is the 12-day Advent calendar. And this is an Advent calendar of Smell Good. And I can't wait to open it. It was $99 and you can get it. It's still available. If you check into their website, you might be able to get a code for 10% off. I was able to get 10% off, and I believe there was $5 or $10 shipping. So keep that in mind when you're looking at these Advent calendars. Some of them is free shipping and some of them are not. But this is Apotheke, and this is the 12-day Advent calendar, and you can see we are going to have candles. That's right, we're going to have a bunch of smell good candles. Yes, if you go to their website, you can unlock a 10% off your first order, and that is what I did, and it's $98, and this is a limited holiday edition, a set of 12 2-ounce mini candle tins, as I was just showing you. And we're going to go through all the scents, and we're going to start off with day number 1. Day number 1 is charred fig. This is a wild leaf and crisp ambers are combined with hints of norelli and cashmere woods to create an earthy yet sweet fragrance. So let's have a little smell. There's the look on the inside. Oh, that does smell sweet and woodsy. Oh, I'm going to enjoy that. Oh, that's good. Okay, we're off to a good start. That was day number 1. So you would have a candle to burn for each day of the 12 days of Christmas. The next one is Earl Grey Bitters. The Earl Grey Bitters is a classic Earl Grey, leaves behind blended lemon zest, bergamot, and peony for a relaxing moment. So let's see what that smells like. Oh, that's what it looks like on the inside. Oh, very elegant. Oh, that is relaxing. Very nice. Very nice. Our day number 3 is cardamom and chestnut. And this is a spicy gourmet fragrance incorporating nuances of roasted chestnut, creamy vanilla, and warm woods for the perfect indulgence. Ooh, well, let's see what the perfect indulgence smells like. Oh, and it's kind of a blue color, blue-gray. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, I can smell the spices in there. Very nice. All of these are going to be very nice. I'm just sure of it. Day number 4 is Sandal Rock Rose. The richness of sandalwood is combined with earthy herbaceous rock rose to create a lush wood scent. Herbaceous, I've just not heard of that word before, but Herbacous. Maybe it's herbacoccus. Maybe that's what it is. Oh my goodness, yeah, that's a strong scent too. You can smell the wood. I can smell a hint of the rose. But it does have a lush wood scent. So if you like a woodsy scent, you would really like that one. Okay, on to day number 5. Day number 5, we have white vetiver, cashmere, eucalyptus, lilac, and entwined with earthy vetiver, sandalwood, amber, and cedarwood to form a sultry fragrance. It's white. It does have a sultry fragrance. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, very nice. Day number 6, we have blackberry honey. That sounds kind of sweet. And if you like a fruity smell, you're going to like this one. This fruity, delectable scent opens up with the sweet berries, creamy coconut, and decadent honey, while mouth-watering caramel, vanilla, and maple add the perfect touch of sweet perfection. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to smell this one. Hey Sue, are you watching this? That's very fruity. I can smell all those different scents in there. Very nice, very nice. Sue likes fruity candles, in case y'all don't know. That's Sue with Reviews with Sue. Okay guys, on to day 7, we have sea salt grapefruit. This is the tang of the sea salt, black pepper, and ripe grapefruit is balanced with dewdrop accords and tarragon for a fragrant like summer by the sea. Ooh, I'm probably gonna like this one. It's white. Oh, that smells really good. This kind of reminds me of the candle that was in FabFitFun. But this scent is stronger. You can really smell the grapefruit. It's so nice. All right, guys, that was day number 7. On to day number 8. We have birchwood apple. This iconic scent note of apple is combined with luxurious mahogany and roasted oak for an unforgettable woody delight. Ooh, and it's purple. And if you like the woods, this is like taking a walk outside. Reminds me when we went to the Sequoia Park in California. The trees, they just smell so good walking through there. That's what that reminds me of. Ooh, very nice. Laura, you'd probably like this one. It's the birchwood apple. Okay, guys, on to number 9. Have you heard of Apotheke? Well, I encourage you to check it out if you like candles that smell good and want a variety in a little pack. Okay, this is charcoal. This is cedarwood and sandalwood combined with notes of smoky amber and oud to build a broody, full-bodied fragrance. Ooh, well, let's see what a full-bodied fragrance smells like. It's definitely black. Oh my goodness, this is bold. This smells like a bonfire. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I can see why they call it a broody, full-bodied fragrance. That is amazing. Wow. So far, so good. Now talking about firewood. This is firewood. Firewood is warm notes of cardamom, nutmeg, and bergamot, mixed with dark notes of birch, tar, patchouli, and sandalwood, while cedarwood and amber create the perfect moments reminiscent of a crackling fire. So now I just said bonfire for that charcoal one. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, yeah, I can see that. More like burning in your fireplace, but not a fire or smoky smell. The other one had a smoky smell like you're doing a bonfire. This is really nice. Firewood, it's called. That could be a romantic one by the fireplace. Okay, guys, number 11. We have Hinoki lavender. Rich, smoky notes of hinoki, cypress, and fresh lavender meld with lotus flower and sandalwood to create an earthy, soothing fragrance. Ooh, that sounds interesting. It's white. Can y'all hear the rain? It's still raining at my house. Oh, that smells good. This would be very relaxing. Maybe one for the bathroom or the bedroom. Very relaxing. Okay, on to day 12, our last one, and it is called Black Cypress. This is a balsam fir, bayberry, and rock rose complement a woody sage undertone to create the essence of a majestic forest. Ooh, that sounds good. And it's green. And it smells so good. And it does smell like a majestic forest. You can smell all those different scents. Oh, this was just wonderful. I really have enjoyed this advent calendar, and now I have 12 scents. Wow, this was so nice, guys. This was the 12-day advent calendar of Apotheke. So if you're interested in this, I'll have the links down below, and you can go check it out. And like I said, when you go to that site, it'll automatically pop up a save 10% on your first order, and they will allow it on this advent calendar, which a lot of them will not let you use any welcome discounts on their advent calendars, but they do. So be sure and go check this out and check my descriptions down below. Now for the giveaway part of the advent calendar series. As I told you in the beginning, we are having an advent calendar series, and there are giveaways with each videos. Each videos have different rules. Some are Canada and US, one is international, and a few are just USA only. So be sure and check and make sure if you're eligible for that particular giveaway. The overall advent calendar will be US only, just so that you know and there's no confusion on that. This particular giveaway, I will open up international. So this will be for anyone that has an address anywhere in the whole wide world, as long as you can receive the items that I am sending. My giveaways are kind of like what you'd say mysteries right now. They can be a mixture of what you've seen today, along with some other goodies, beauty products, and our lifestyle items. They could be a gift card. I don't know. I haven't put all the prizes together, but there will be a giveaway for this one. And what do you need to use for the word in this particular giveaway? You need to use the word candle. We'll just make it simple. Use candle and you will be entered into this giveaway. You must be 18 years or older. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. If you're not sure about public subscriptions, I do have a link in my description that you can click on, and it will help you make your channels public. A lot of times when you sign up for YouTube, they automatically make it private and you have to make it public. But we have to see that. We want to know that you are publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie, that's me. And if you are, you have opportunity to win. And I do check. So do those things, and please note that YouTube and Apotheke are not related or affiliated with this giveaway. All these products have been purchased by myself, and I will be giving them to you if you are the winner. Now, we also want to tell you that we are not responsible for any allergic reactions, and I say that specifically on candles. If I were to send you a candle and you were to start to burn it, and for some reason you were to get an allergic reaction or have a reaction to this candle burning, I am not responsible. Please put the candle out, close the lid, throw it away, or give it away. And I say this because, yes, Miss Jackie Russell can be allergic to certain candles, and I've had almost a deadly experience with one. So I mean, like, yes, you can be allergic, so be aware of that and test. If you start feeling kind of woozy or not feeling right, then just blow that candle out. That's all I have to say. Most candles are safe now. I think this was when they had a lot of candles out there that they didn't have regulations on. But I just want to point that out. And of course, if I send you any skincare products, you need to make sure that you test a small area, because again, I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions. Now, When the postman receives this package, he is responsible for delivery. I'm not responsible for loss, damage, or you stumping your toe, just whatever. I am not responsible. Once it leaves my hand, it is in their hands being delivered to you. This giveaway will end on November 30th, and all winners will be announced on December 1st, so you'll have opportunity to get back with me in 48 hours and get this package out to you so that you may have these things before Christmas and maybe use them as gifts or have them gifts for yourself. But that is the Advent Calendar series. This is the Apotheke 12-day Advent Calendar. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite scent might be. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.